I know. You are here is because your game capture isn't working. Not capturing any game during your streams, during your gameplay record. But do not worry, I got you covered. Why game capturing is so important, especially for content creators and streamers? Because they have to record their gameplay to produce amazing contents. But if game capturing is not working, how are you gonna record the gameplay? Previously I used display capture, which, trust me, it is bad. It is really bad. But remember, before recording your gameplay, you'll have to make some settings. In case you missed my previous video, I'll put the video link on the description below so that you'll know how to make the settings to record your gameplay. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So let's stop talking. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so what you are seeing right now is my Streamlabs OBS open, and you can see that my game is actually open in the background. So in order on how to actually add the window capture, it's very simple. Let me show you. So just go to source, click add. Under the general source, you'll see window capture. So just click on the window capture and just click add source. So I'll add a new source instead because I got mine added already. So I'm gonna just put it window capture testing YouTube. Alright, so just click add source and you'll see the window capture method. Hold on, let me just adjust. Alright, and you'll see window capture method and this window match priority. You can just ignore this. I just put it default. So on the window, you just choose on this your specific window that you want to capture. So for me it's PUBG Battlegrounds, and voila, it just came out right away. No waiting issue. It's just so convenient. So for this capture method, you can either use Windows 10 or automatic, but for when you use Windows 10, you'll see a very small yellow borderline on your game screen. So if you do not want that to appear, the capture method, you just make it to automatic and the yellow borderline will disappear right away. So as simple as that. So in case that you do not know, that left is my gameplay and right screen is actually my display capture. So right is display capture and then left is actually my window capture, so that it's easy for you to see it actually how it works. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to actually record separate screens, or you can record the face cams and your gameplay separately using Streamlabs OBS, so stay tuned. You'll probably saw a yellow borderline in your game screen when you're using window capture. So in order to remove the yellow borderline when it's in the capture method, you just set from window 10 to just automatic. The yellow borderline will just disappear. Give it a try. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope it helps to solve your game capturing issue. Just add window capture instead. And don't forget to watch my other videos for gaming tips and tricks. I'll put it up right here. Happy streaming, happy gaming, and thank you for watching.